fire, bro!
Holy f, dude. That's crazy looking. Rolls Royce, look at this paint job. It's like the satin gray, the little angel of ecstasy. Not angel, sorry, my bad. My bad, Rolls Royce, guys. It's spirit of ecstasy. Oh, the fins are black. Normally they're chrome. Really clean. It's almost like a Nardo grape. This thing is a statement for sure. Oh my, look at this freaking interior. Does it have a starlight? Oh, yes, it does.
It feels like a home theater.
Feel like
Carbon fiber dial? Holy crap.
Dude, this starlight is worse. The starlight's insane, guys.
If you look, all these lights are all different sizes. Like this is smaller than this one. So it's all varied. They actually made this in relation to the actual stars in the galaxy.
You can have a custom spec to where it's like what the stars look like on the day you were born. Or
Look at this dash. Oh, I like that design. It's carbon fiber, but you have like these raised areas.
You can commission Rolls Royce to put any art you want behind there. You can put your art or anything you want behind that glass, which is super sick.
Look how thick this carpet is. 1.5 to 2 inches thick. It's so fluffy. That's crazy. If you were to buy this car and then you would hire a driver.
No, I was saying, like, Rolls Royce did a video, like, the owner can have the key on them. The driver doesn't even need to have the key.
You know the Hyundai Equus, you can do the same thing. And that car's $70,000.
They wrapped it in orange leather. That is so cool. Whoa, that is awesome.
Hello.
And of course you have your Rolls Royce umbrella right there. We're going to be doing some cool stuff before we deliver it to the customer. What do you think, Dustin?
Pretty ugly.
What? So currently in the process of tinting the Rolls Royce, doing Sterlux 20 on all the sides of the back. That way it's nice and dark. Now we're gonna be doing the Clearbra on this. Are you gonna steal it?
The Lady of Ecstasy, if it was to be stolen, this is what happens.
So since this car is satin, we're gonna go with a satin Clearbra because we wanna make sure we keep the same shine, the same effect that's on the paint.
Welcome to my living room.
Welcome to my universe. Take 2.
Welcome to my universe.
Pretty small, Ted.
It's not a bright color, but because it's just so different than any other gray you see out there, it just catches your eye. 101 paint color, and the great part is it's now protected. Full front end has been wrapped in our satin PPF, so the color stays the same. No change to that whatsoever. And the windows have been tinted with Sterlux 20, so a bit of privacy. Gotta make sure you stay incognito.